So what kind of, you say you had a Hyundai?
Yep.
What kind you got?
2019 Hyundai Elantra.
How long is it gone?
It was a new car.
Oh, it is gone? Oh, it was gone?
She got stuff.
I got it stolen on Tuesday night. Yeah, I got
Man.
it.
Do you need a hug?
Yeah, thank you.
Gosh, oh, I'm so sorry. My goodness.
I got.
Thanks to a TikTok craze called Kia Boyz, Hyundais and Kias across the country are being stolen at alarming rates. In the city of Columbus, Ohio alone, more than 2,000 Hyundais and Kias have been stolen. That averages out to about 12 vehicles per day. The trend does not appear to be slowing anytime soon. Today's video is going to show an incident where an officer narrowly missed a group of children attempting to steal a young woman's car. Luckily for the victim in this case, they did not make it away with the vehicle, but they did cause significant damage. So the video you're about to see is the aftermath of this incident.
S94, do you have chopper up?
They were up earlier. Get them over.
Alright, in the area of Blake and East, there was a car alarm going off, doors open, over a dark gray SUV, no lights, just went northbound on East, I think eastbound on Hudson. It's probably a 45. I'm going to walk down here and take a look at this car.
I got these video at 30 just this morning there. A metal black, just all black. Went through a white car that broke a window and then got to a silver sedan. That was missed its front bumper. Chopper, I got Hudson. What's across the street for the off 45?
Look at East and Hudson. Look at gray SUV, probably either a Kia or a Hyundai. It went eastbound. I don't know if it hit Hudson or not, but it's pretty close to there.
Okay, just give me an intersection to put in the computer so we know which way to go.
East in Wilcox. I'm out here radio with this white Kia Seltos. John, Ida, Boston 3214. Fresh broken glass here on the driver's side. This is one of your cars?
This is my car.
Okay.
Mine was stolen on Tuesday.
Copy. Your reason across the zone up on 4 percent car that's closing, sir, out of the 94. County 31. This is not 10-5. It's medical emergency. Will be 2 Victor. You can start us test 94.
I saw the car.
Okay, what kind of car is it?
It was a gray SUV.
Kia or Hyundai?
I don't know. But it was a gray car.
And you're the owner here?
I'm the owner.
So this was parked there the whole time?
Yes,
Okay.
this is where I parked.
But I saw the car that drove off.
Ready with this white Kia. This was an attempt. Broken glass, and they've already tried to strip the column, so she'll just need a code 1. She's out here with her vehicle now.
Oh, I am in black.
What kind of car you said? Like a gray what?
Yeah.
It was a gray SUV. It had like a black, like, back bumper.
Okay.
But it was like up there,
Yep.
and they skied it out of here.
Chopper, like a gray SUV. She's describing a black bumper, or like a charcoal gray from my my vantage point. And ready the caller, or whoever needs the report. She's over here on East Avenue, just near Wilcox, waiting for a report. Do you know how many? Do you know how many people were in that car or anything? White, black, Hispanic?
Copy 931. You got the colors. East and Wilcox.
We didn't hear anything
we're in
except
route.
for her car noise.
Yep. Ready, I'm gonna jump back from my car and circulate for this vehicle here.
I knew it was happening a lot, because when it happened to me, people were like, oh, it's happening everywhere. And then I literally did not think it would happen 2 days
I just missed it too. I was parked down there, looking at 3 white cars. I looked down here, and I said, this door is open. You see like someone jump out and then jump in this car and like go this way and make it right. Which I don't know if they made the right on the wrong way street or the next one, but
There goes my ride. Can we get the glass up this side? Wait, let me call Aaron again.
Do you have? She's gonna try to get her roommate parks in the garage. There's enough room.
Yeah.
Try to get this in the garage so they don't
Told
go
her,
back.
I just parked down there, looking at white cars, and then as that's going on, you hear like an alarm. I look down here, this door is open. I'm like, and the kid jumps out and jumps into this other car, blacked out, goes this way, makes it right. I was like, jeez.
So what kind of? You say you had a Hyundai?
Yep.
What kind you got?
2019 Hyundai Elantra.
How long was it gone?
It was a new car.
Oh, it is gone? Oh, it was gone?
She got stuff.
I got it stolen on Tuesday night. Yeah, I got
Man,
it.
do you need a hug?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my gosh, oh, I'm so sorry. My goodness,
I got rear-ended on the highway in January. Somebody hit me from behind, so I got the new car, and then it got stolen on Tuesday. And then I got a call from I don't know if he's your pal, Officer North.
I know of him.
He gave me a call.
He's
He's a new
probationary
guy.
on 2C.
We're trying out here. This is so hard.
Yeah, he gave me a call. I was like, hey, and I got up for work and I saw it at like 4:30. So yeah, it's been.
I
here.
mean, you can always put like a towel down or something,
Okay.
and do what you guys can. So, do you think we'll be able to start this up then, or no?
Yeah.
Okay, with the
Yeah,
cable.
we're gonna try to go to the garage. That way they don't take her car.
I have a.
I mean, worst case scenario, we'll just undo your battery,
That's her car.
or we'll undo her battery if she feels comfortable with that. I'm making sure how to hook it back up, but it's not that hard.
Just tonight until it's fixed, and then what? Is there anything I can
You're gonna
do
have to park in the garage.
Yeah.
Like you're gonna have to, because like her car's an older car. They don't steal those. They steal the brand new ones because the brand new ones are the one you can do with the USB.
I mean, the most important thing is we try to secure your car and then just contact your insurance company.
And then they'll take it, and there's
I
a
mean, It'll
lot of.
have to go to the dealer or somewhere.
All the repair places are like booked.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
they're
yeah,
probably.
you put
My
that-
State Farm
that
agent
sheet
found
over it.
someone who can get it done next week.
Like you said, you sit on a towel or something and you'll be all
I
right.
have this, and there's one in the car if this one doesn't work because they're kind of.
So actually, someone did call, like
I don't know what you do
a
with
passerby
it.
or a guy called and said, hey, like,
Someone's.
he said gave the intersection down here, and then that's why I was all the way parked down there looking at some white cars, and then I looked down here and the door was open. I think when you guys walked out, he jumped out and then jumped in that car. So I literally was down here because someone called about something going on with a white car, had got out of a white car but jumped in another car.
Yeah.
So we didn't know that someone was still in here though. So
I yelled some not nice things because I was very angry.
should have yelled louder.
I'm so angry. I'm
What
so angry. Would
kind
there
of
be
questions you guys have, or what do you think?
would there be any possible way I could get a ride home?
Yeah, that would be ideal.
Okay, thank you. 'Cause I don't want to walk home.
Where do you get to? Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Take care of it.
Katie, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You know, I really wish it was just one of us.
I just
Go
kind of think he jinxed me. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Like I said,
No,
if we can't get the car moved or anything, I can show you how to undo the battery. That way, if someone happens to come back, they just won't be able to start it because, I mean, of the battery. So.
I'm not. As we were parking, I was telling her, I was like, yeah, make sure you keep an eye on your car because it's Kias and Hyundais. And Kate was like, well, what do I do? And I was like,
I mean, I guess you can
I
go
don't keep it in
buy
my
a club,
car, it's my
the
freaking
club, the old
dog
school club,
bone.
right?
that's what my dad said.
Which isn't a bad idea.
Buy a what?
The club.
Oh, the
sits
thing
on the steering wheel.
The fob, you the little.
Are these Alex?
Yeah. Those are the they're Alex's, but they're kind of the communal.
I think I still have glass.
Wow, this guy sucks.
Yours still works with the key.
Oh, good.
So
Oh, nice.
what they did was they broke the metal piece off that they normally would start it with.
So
So
he's
that's-
not very good at doing what he's trying to do.
He was good at
they suck.
Man, better watch that video again.
So that's good for the key. So get a garage, put it in the garage.
Yeah, I'll go try the garage.
If it doesn't work, I'd
Try to-
undo the battery.
So
You know how to
then,
do that.
in terms of, I guess I could just ask my dad too, but like,
So you can continue to drive this. Just be mindful that even
I'm
when you
not going.
take the key off and take it with you,
I'm gonna,
someone could still use a screwdriver, the cord to start
If
the car.
I have the thing on the steering wheel, is that enough of a like? If they try to,
It'll be
they're
harder.
gonna see it and they're gonna be like,
Yeah,
"Hmm,
it'll be
what is
very
that?"
hard to probably break that off
And it's called a bar?
in the club.
A club.
And leave a mean note. Like,
Basically, if you got the club on there, a 13-year-old ain't gonna.
No.
They're not gonna. I would just. You probably get it faster at autos than they have.
Okay.
Club
Or Walmart, I think they have them.
cars.
Let me.
So like Advanced Auto Parts, 47 bucks.
What's your phone?
It's like Amazon for about 20
I'll
bucks.
take the 20 bucks.
Oh, thank you.
So back probably 10, 12 years ago, it was Dodge products that was getting stolen. It's Chrysler because they had a plastic ignition. And that's what people bought because you put that on and your car, your steering wheel can't turn.
So, how would the
Sure,
bar
it's
prevent them from taking the ignition out? Like, do they want to
Well,
drive
so
it? Right?
the bar like sits across, so it locks in, so you can't like physically manipulate the steering wheel.
So it'd be pointless to steal it because I want to drive it.
Yeah, I mean you can't move the steering wheel, so you can't drive. That makes sense.
That does.
I mean they can still damage the ignition and start it up, but you physically can't move the steering wheel.
Is that everything?
That's all we need. I'll get a report for you. I'll give you an incident number.
Doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah,
It's hard.
just like for
Back up.
future, like once your car's fixed, put that on there every night.
I will.
I'd put it even
Every
wherever
time.
you're at, everywhere,
Every
because
time.
they're stealing these. You know, you got two people here. They're batting 100% on stealing people's cars.
Mine was in the middle of a lot.
Yours is also a new
Yeah.
Hyundai, right? Or was it a new car?
2019. It was
They
new.
drive.
I had it for 6 months, not even.
There's videos of them. They'll drive like through a parking lot and they see a Kia. They're somebody will jump out. They bust a window. They get in and.
I mean, it can be gone in 60 seconds.
Yeah.
I mean it's not that.
This guy sucked at
I
it.
have a really
Well,
sad
that's-
picture that I took today.
Well,
He's probably 12 years old. So.
it's just,
Yeah.
it's just
He's-
my
he's
window
learning.
glass in my parking lot.
Driving's hard.
It's just my window glass in the
That's where it was.
That's where it was.
You need to like draw like an outline and put RIP.
I
RIP.
I'm so sad. I was like, oh.
Here's your report.
Oh, thank
That'll be
you.
your report number up here.
Okay. Can I take it?
You just call your insurance company and give that to them.
Okay. Cool.